Every day, we customize portraits for other people's little darlings. Today, let's create a customized self-portrait for our own little darling. Pets accompany us for only a few decades. It's time to preserve some beautiful memories. Our mission is to make all good things last forever. We offer handmade customization, and the materials we use are never fading. The details are exquisite, with each strand of fur clearly visible. Hemming it at home will make it an exquisite artwork. Don't wait until your little darling leaves to realize that nothing has been left behind. Interested friends, please click the link below to contact us.